A new school week begins with Maya standing at the kitchen table, surrounded by notebooks, pencils, lunchboxes, and a calendar covered in bright stickers. Her son Leo watches with folded arms, already tired before the first bell has rung. Maya does not rush him. She opens a small bin and sorts the supplies into simple groups, sharing, in a calm voice, why each item has a place. When everything has a label, Leo notices the work feels smaller and less intimidating. Next, Maya turns to the schedule. She writes the week on a whiteboard in clear blocks of time, leaving room for homework, reading, soccer practice, and one quiet evening with no extra plans. Leo studies the board and realizes that the week no longer feels like a storm. It looks manageable, almost friendly. Maya explains that a good routine is not about control, but about making space for focus, rest, and less stress. They pack the backpack together. Extra pencils go in one pouch, homework folders in another, and a water bottle slips into the side pocket. Leo finds a missing permission slip at the bottom of the drawer, and both of them laugh at the tiny rescue. What had started as a messy morning becomes a small lesson in teamwork and preparation. By the time the table is cleared, Leo is standing straighter. Maya reminds him that being ready for school is easier when the home is organized with patience and warmth.